Shouldn't have been.
Okay, it's our pleasure once again to introduce the intergalactic diva of love, Karen Jast.
I dedicate this song to Phil Spector and the Great Wall of Sound. Assuming that life works out the way the actuarial tables say, and the time has come for a man to meet his maker. Now what do you suppose makes a man reminisce what puts him in a lather of unbearable bliss as a dude awaits his day with the Undertaker? He won't give a damn just cause I've been with him forever through thick and thin. I could be the mother of his kids or his wife, but I'd rather be the hottest piece of ass in his life. Yeah, I wanna be your deathbed girl, the last thing that you see when you check out of this world. Oh yeah, I wanna give you a Rockefeller death, rock your Rockefeller till you draw your last breath. Oh yeah. Time to think a man will forget all those bitches on his DVDs and internet when they pose without their clothes in his magazines. But I can ride you like a thoroughbred horse, and there's a chance they'd have to shoot you, of course. I just wanna be the star in your last wet dream. I'll make you cry, I'll drain you dry, I'll keep you empty until you die. A happy ending to a cosmic joke. You'll come and go smiling at me when you're broke. I wanna be your deathbed girl, the last thing that you see when you check out of this world. I wanna give you a Rockefeller death, rock your Rockefeller till you draw your last breath. Rock, rock, Rockefeller death. Rock, rock, Rockefeller death. Rock, rock, Rockefeller death. Rock your Rockefeller till you draw your last breath.